a green dinosaur. Ooh.
Bubble.
Hey, Ryder, are you ready to go swimming? You ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
No? What do you want for supper? Do you want soup? No? Do you want hot dogs? No? Do you want french fries? No? Do you want potatoes? No? Do you want onions? No? Do you want broccoli? No? Okay. Well, tell Daddy you're gonna go swimming.
Honey.
You're going swimming? Oh boy. Tell Daddy, say, oh boy. Wave at him. Throw him one. You're so nice. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.